I've been making productivity videos on this YouTube channel for 9 years, and the two most important productivity tips that I can give you to help you save at least 10 hours a week pretty much immediately. Number one, focus on the tasks that will actually move the needle more than anything else. So don't get tied up with doing tasks that don't actually matter that much. And number two, delegate as many tasks as possible to other people. So I learned this probably like 8 or 9 years ago when on the 10th of February 2017, I created my Fiverr account and made my first ever order on Fiverr. Since then, over the last 8 years, I've delegated thousands of tasks on Fiverr. Let's say on average, each order saves me about 5 hours of my time, and I've made 3,000 orders. That's at least 15,000 hours I've saved just from using Fiverr. And just for context, I'm running 3 YouTube channels and 3 businesses. So running 1 YouTube channel and 1 business is time consuming enough, but I'm running 3, and that's only possible because I'm very efficient with my time and I delegate out to Fiverr a lot. So I've been using Fiverr pretty much every single week for the last 8 years. And so when they reached out to sponsor this video, I was like, of course, let's do it. And as a bonus for you, if you do want to check out Fiverr, you can use the link in the description and use coupon code MikeD10 to get 10% off your first order. Because honestly, back in 2017, when I first started delegating tasks out on Fiverr, I was still a university student. I wasn't quite ready for making this kind of big commitment of hiring people on a part-time or full-time basis. But at the same time, I just started a YouTube channel that was starting to gain traction. I had a very small video editing company and I was a full-time university student, so I didn't have a lot of time. So I started delegating tasks out. I started with small tasks like writing the scripts for my YouTube videos, which straight away saved me about 4 hours a week. I got some voiceovers done for my videos, which saved me a couple of hours a week. I had a couple of company logos made for me, and I even got help with some economics homework that I was struggling with at university. Essentially, I hired an economics tutor on Fiverr. So these gigs alone, in the space of about a month, 8 years ago, probably saved me a good 10 hours every week. Because if you think of it this way, let's say your time is worth $50 an hour, hypothetically, and you're editing 1 video a week for a YouTube video. Let's say it's taking you 10 hours a week. That's going to cost you 50 times 10, it's $500. If you could delegate that task out and pay $100 instead of $500, you'd be saving $400. And because the freelancers are professionals, that's what they do all day, every day, as opposed to if I was editing the video myself, it would take longer since I'm juggling many roles in my businesses, and I just wouldn't be as good because I'm not a very good video editor. While the Fiverr freelancers specialize in exactly what I need, so they can deliver faster and more efficiently. One of the biggest obstacles for me was when I started this YouTube channel back in 2016. I had the mindset of, oh, I can't delegate out the editing because the editors won't be able to edit the way that I can edit, which was completely untrue. My editors now on Fiverr can edit 10 times better than me, 10 times faster than me, because I've not edited a video in probably about 3 years because I just delegate it all out to people that can do that task better than me. So I'm saving money, I'm saving time, and I'm getting a better video at the end of it. You do have to know how to delegate and how to use Fiverr properly though. I know a lot of people, they try using Fiverr, they delegate out a task, let's say a video to edit, they get it back, they're not happy with the quality of editing, so they just continue editing themselves. But delegation itself is a skill set. If you don't give clear instructions, if you don't have SOPs and processes in place, then the output won't be very good. I'll give you an example. I have a creative brief that goes through everything from how to color grade my videos, to what fonts to use, where to access the B-roll, what kind of background music to use, so that whichever editor I use on Fiverr, the videos are edited in the same way. It also saves me time because I don't have to explain, okay, you get the B-roll from this folder, you use the music from this one. I don't have to explain it every single time, but I just send them that one SOP and boom, all the instructions are sent. To show you the process of how you would go about finding freelancers on Fiverr in the most efficient way and also show you the quality of work that the freelancers can produce, I've had my last 3 videos and my last 3 thumbnails designed using Fiverr. So you can see here, I've made 10 orders in the last 2 weeks. And on a side note, I'll blur out some of the personal information of the Fiverr freelancers that I specifically use to keep their privacy private. So the first editor, I placed the order on the 6th of August and I received the first draft back just 3 days later. Now, this was the first time I used this editor, so there's quite a lot of feedback so that I filmed a loom for him to kind of more efficiently provide him the feedback. However, 3 days later, he gave me the second draft and I was actually quite happy with it. The finished video was actually very, very good, especially as this was the first time working with this editor. The second editor for the second video, I've actually been working with this editor for a few months now and really kind of training him up, and he's been amazing. I do treat my editors on Fiverr like I would a in-house team, and I do have quite high standards and I make sure that they're improving for every video, which benefits me, of course, because my videos are improving, but it also benefits them as well because their skills are being developed and essentially they can charge a higher price. So I placed this order on the 12th of August. The first draft was sent to me 2 days later on the 14th of August, and the final draft was sent back to me the same day. So in literally 2 days from placing the order, the final video is done. And the third video editor, I actually placed 3 videos all in one go with this editor. I placed the order on the 6th of August. The 3 videos were supposed to be delivered by the 14th of August. The seller did request a delivery date extension, which for me is completely fine, especially since it's editing 3 videos back to back, which is quite a lot of work, but it's also saving me about 20 hours of workload. And to get an idea of the quality of work from these editors, this video that you're watching now was edited on Fiverr. So you can kind of see what type of quality you can get from there. All 3 of the editors I just showed you, very happy with them. I was also happy with the 3 designers that I hired for the most part. So I basically found 3 new thumbnail designers that I've never worked with before, and I ordered a thumbnail from each of them. I paid less than $9 for each thumbnail. So this is the first thumbnail from the first designer. This is for a video where I review, well, as the thumbnail suggests, I review fitness tech under $50. And it's a decent thumbnail. Clear text, clear images, it gets across the message for $9, not too bad. Now, this is the second thumbnail I received from the second designer. It's a really nice thumbnail, except for one thing, my skin does look a little bit burnt, like I've spent the whole day in the sun without sunscreen, but other than that, I do really like it. And then there's the final designer that's actually currently still in the process of being edited. This is the first draft I was sent, and it's quite good, maybe a bit over the top with the green graphs, but again, for $9, I can't complain. And if I had edited all 3 of these videos myself and edited all 3 of the thumbnails myself, it would have taken a good 25 hours of my week. That's like almost a full-time job that I can now delegate completely to freelancers. So again, if you do want to check Fiverr out, I really do recommend you do. You can use the link in the description and use coupon code MikeD10 to get 10% off your first order. I honestly believe delegation is one of life's biggest productivity hacks, and Fiverr has genuinely completely transformed how I run my businesses, specifically with the kind of flexibility of hiring per project and just a massive pool of talent on the platform, meaning for the last 8 years or so since using Fiverr, I can focus on high-level strategy tasks and actually grow the business. And if you like this video, I made 2 more videos which you can watch here to help you also save even more hours a week. Click on either of these end cards to watch those. I will see you over there.